having difficulty making decisions, feeling like you don't deserve, second-guessing yourself, comparing yourself to others, not having boundaries, being very judgmental of your others and yourself, are all signs of low self-esteem. This is not your true self. This happened over time due to past experiences and not getting the support, encouragement, and positive reinforcement that you are a wonderful person. In this meditation, the intention is to help you let go of those beliefs that keep you trapped and feeling bad about yourself, and bring you to a place where you can embrace new beliefs that bring you to a place of feeling calm, confident, loving, and accepting of yourself. Enjoy. Begin by getting into a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Connect with the surface below you that is supporting you. And connect with your feet, your legs, your torso, your arms, and your head. And again, connecting with your feet, your legs, your torso, your arms, and your head. Now take 3 deep breaths, breathing in your nose, and then breathing out and letting it out slower. Breathing in a shorter breath, and then breathing out slower and longer. Last one, breathing in and out. Now bring your attention to your third eye center and stay there for a moment. Now bring your attention to your heart and breathe in and out of that space. Now when you breathe in, connect the two, and as you breathe in your third eye, bring that energy down to your heart. Then when you breathe out, sending this energy back to the third eye. Breathing in through the third eye and bringing it down to your heart. And breathing out back to your third eye. And doing this at your own pace. Breathing in your third eye, and bringing it down to the heart. And then breathing out and sending that energy back to the third eye. Now focus on the connection between the two, between your heart and your third eye, and bring forth your I am statement, the one that you want to embody for self-love and self-esteem. If you do not have one, you can use your own, or you can use this one. I am strong, calm, and confident. I love and accept myself. And as you say this to yourself, feel it in your whole being. Now we will move to connecting to different parts of your body. And when doing so, you might want to say the word love in your mind and send love to that part of your body. Let's begin by bringing attention to your feet. and sending them love. Your ankles, your calves, your shins, your knees, your thighs, your buttocks, your lower back, and remembering, if you like, to send the word and energy love. Your lower back, your upper back, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your neck, your head, your face, your throat, your chest, and your abdomen. And then bringing your attention back to your whole body and imagining that you are at a base of a mountain. And as you look up, you feel a sense of wonder, awe, and appreciation for its size, presence, and strength. You feel drawn to walk along the side of the mountain up a trail, and with each step, you feel this strength entering into your feet, into your legs, your arms, and your body. And at the same time, you feel this sense of calm until you come to a place that feels right to sit down. And here, you can see beyond the hills and all the way to the ocean in the distance. As you take it all in, you listen to the birds, you feel the breeze on your face, the sun is shining on you, and you feel that you are being charged with all of this beautiful energy that surrounds you. And you feel embraced by the strength and care of the mountain that you are sitting on. Now it is time to connect with a belief about yourself that keeps you feeling low and powerless. As you sit there on the side of the mountain, you connect within and with the belief that you would like to let go. A belief that is no longer true and that was never true to begin with. You take that belief and you put it in your hands. And as you look down, you see that there's a small hole where you can put this belief. So you place it inside the hole and you ask the mountain to take care of it for you, to heal it for you, to dissolve it for you. And then you take a moment to reconnect with yourself, to connect with your heart, and connect with this new energy inside of you now that that belief is gone. It is time to call in your guide so that you can bring forth this energy and this sense of being with you. It could be a wise person, an animal, or a spirit. Call them in and ask them for their guidance. When they are there with you, ask them how you can act and connect from a place of compassion acceptance, and appreciation. See what they have to say that will help you embody this. As you take these words, images, felt sense from your guide, thank them for their time and their wisdom, and take some time to fully embrace what it is to feel love and compassion and acceptance for yourself. And slowly stand up and look down and feel that sense of belonging and being a part of the mountain, the trees, the sky, the ocean, the birds. And that there is no comparison. And take this with you as you slowly walk back down the mountain, embracing the sense of love for yourself, embracing the strength and compassion and acceptance with every step you take. As you reach the bottom of the mountain, you look up again. And this time, instead of feeling separate and feeling a sense of awe that is not part of you, now you notice that this sense of strength and love and compassion is in you and all around you. Connect again with your body and embrace this felt sense. Connect with the surface below you, whether you're sitting or lying down. Sense the walls around you and the space that you are in. You might want to wiggle your toes or your fingers and slightly move to come back into the space and back into your body and back into your day. And now, with the ability and the strength and the power to be yourself and to feel good about being yourself, and bringing forth this love and compassion and acceptance with you throughout your day. I hope you enjoyed this meditation, and be sure to check out the other letting go meditations to help you let go and reconnect deeper with yourself, your spirit, and who you truly are. Thank you.